everybody, Tony Pellegrino with GenRight Off-Road, and I've got great news for you. If you own a four-door JK and you've wheeled it for years, you've got some brand of lift kit in there, we've finally come up with a way to get our Elite kit under your Jeep in what we call Stage 1. You keep the lift springs and shocks that you've already got. You've already got Dana 44 axles, which is great. You can run 37-inch tires. Now, we're gonna give you a kit that includes chromoly high steer, all new links, flat belly skid, moving the gas tank to the back so you've got more ground clearance. And this kit also gives you the ability to, over the years, if you want, step through and upgrade to bigger axles and coilover shocks. Or you can just leave it the way it is with corrected geometry, because now you've got a 3-link front and a double triangulated 4-link rear, and all the ground clearance that your buddies have on 42-inch tires, but you're on 37s, and this thing sits low, drives nice on the street, has a low center of gravity so it doesn't feel tippy, very, very well grounded, and we've done it all at a low entry price.